Today I am so excited because finally it's the first time this year we are going to the beach. I was waiting for this day for so long. It's even more exciting because it's the first time my baby is going to the beach. It's her first time to the beach, so I don't know how it's gonna go. It's so cute. So this is how I protect. So this is lunch. It is another gorgeous day today, but it is so hot because I am a Mediterranean girl. Heat doesn't scare me, but oh my gosh, it's so humid. I don't tell you this just to complain about the weather. I want to make today summery. I want to be refreshed. I want to take advantage of the heat and turn it into a positive thing. So, how do we help ourselves with the heat? Ice cream. So I have a bunch of lemons and I decided to make some ice cream, lemon ice cream. But first things first, groceries. This is how I protect myself from being burnt. I use this like sleeves. Second one is this hat. I know it looks ridiculous and this outfit looks ridiculous, but it's very effective. Here. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. It's so hot. I wonder how you're doing, baby, without a hat. Like, you must be dying.
You know how what? You know how I'm doing? You don't know how I'm doing?
You must be. It's so hot. First thing we're buying is watermelon. I learned this trick from this guy. He said, look at this ending, right? You should look at this. The smaller, the sweeter the watermelon. So this is quite big, so it's not sweet. Oh, can you see? This is smaller, so must be sweeter. This is really small. This must taste like radish. It's so big. I think this is the smallest. All right. I'm gonna buy some avocado for Mina. I bought some cream and condensed milk. Oh my god. Me and Gil, we said this is the last time we're gonna go do groceries on foot. I think we forget every year how hot summer is. I feel like my videos these days are all gonna be like about weather and how hot it is, so please bear with me, but it influences every moment of my day, so I thought that's why I talk about it so often. But oh my gosh, it was so hot. I had to take another shower, change my clothes and everything, but now I feel refreshed, so it's time to have some lunch. And Gil is preparing it, so I need my lunch right now. I need some energy. So this is lunch. It's a tuna mayo rice with some like seaweed on top. It's one of my favorite rice balls and I can't wait to dig in that. It looks so good. sorry, Mina, you can't have any sugar.
맞아.
I'm gonna make you this later.
엄마가 나중에 엄청 많이 해주지.
많이 해줄게. Oh, I'm so happy. It turned out so good.
너무 잘 나왔네.
Now I'm gonna put it in the container. It's so cute. Ooh, wow, what a strong voice. Baby, you wanna lick the spatula? Oh my god, it was so hectic to get ready to the beach. That's why I couldn't film any of it, because we want to go early before it gets too hot during the day because of Mina. But all my swimsuits and all his swimsuits disappeared. Like, I couldn't find anything to wear to the beach. Like, I don't know where my swimsuits are. I have no memory where I packed them, so I just like aimlessly for 30 minutes just went around the house looking at every corner and I can't find them. So I literally just wore this like, but I don't have a swimsuit on because I couldn't find any swimsuits. So oh my gosh, like it made me go into panic mode and I just like was going around aimlessly. But we wasted so much time because of this swimsuit business, and I wanted to film the packing and you know what I'm gonna pack for my baby and everything, but no time. Speaking of baby, she looks so darn cute in her swimsuit. At least one of us is looking cute today. Should we get this?
또 at the end of the day, states -1, 0 and 1.
I noticed that the lifeguard. I noticed that the lifeguards, they come to people who swim and they tell them to wear some jacket. Like these people behind me, they are wearing one. So they actually force you to wear that in order to get in the water. And I'm like, I just want to like swim like freely. I don't want to have to wear those things because especially they keep you afloat on the water. I want to like dive deep and stuff. And yeah, like we came here very early in the morning and we discovered that coming to the beach, the earlier the better, because the weather is nicer. There is this like breeze. It's so good and there aren't a lot of people. So the best time is now.
Oh, it's like, why am I so different from people? Why can't I accept being different?
Different.
I think out of the box. That's natural.
Back from the water and look, my hair is still dry because it's not convenient at all to dive your head in the water with that vest. It was so uncomfortable to swim with. Anyway, we're gonna leave soon because it's 11:20 now and the sun is starting to be too hot for Mina to stay in because we have a little baby. Although she's in the shade and She's just very fresh in the water, but still, I think we shouldn't stay too long.
By a certain rule we don't know.
So the texture is like this. It's not very creamy, but maybe we should let like some time like pass. Mm, so good. Especially after a day on the beach. Ah, this is really refreshing and it's the best use to the lemons I had.